Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change display name on Twitter means X, which is the new name. First of all, open the X application and log into your account. On the home screen you will see the profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. A side menu will slide out from the left side of the screen. In the side menu you will notice an option labeled Profile. This option allows you to view and edit your profile. Tap on it, your profile page will open. It's where you can see your current display name and username. Tap on the edit profile option. Your profile information including your display name will appear. To change your display name, tap on the name field. Now you can edit it or completely change it. Changing it won't affect your X username, it's just for display name. Once you are done, tap on the save option at the top right corner, and this is how you can change display name on X.